our topic is Arthropoda in Kingdom Animaliae, Unit 1, Chapter 2 in Zoology. So already we have seen some of the phylums and now we are going to see Arthropoda. Arthros means jointed, poda or pods is feet. And this is the one of the largest phylum in the animal kingdom. And it has the largest class called Insectae. So in this phylum you have a largest class called Insectae. So the total species ranges from 2 to 10 million. So they are bilateral, symmetrical, segmented, triploblastic and schizocoelomate animals. So bilateral means the plane. You can cut at one plane only, you will get two equal halves. Segmented, on the body they possess segments. Triploblastic means it is arised in the embryonic origin. Ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm, these three layers are arised. So it is arise from these three layers and it is called triploblastic animal. Schizocoelomate, that is body cavity present between the digestive system and the muscular body wall. And their organ system grade of body organization. So they have joint appendages, that is arthros means joint. So the joint appendages which is used for locomotion, we can name it as legs also. Not only they used for locomotion, they used for feeding, that is for taking food, and are sensory in function. So they are used as sense organs also. So the jointed appendages are used for locomotion, feeding and sensory in function. So locomotion is movement, feeding is nutrition and sensory the sense organs. So body is covered by chitinous exoskeleton for protective and to prevent water loss. So the body is covered. You have seen the cockroach. It has a outer chitinous exoskeleton which is given for protection. That is to protect from the enemies and the water loss. It is shed off periodically by the process called moulting or ecdysis. So during moulting, that is the removal of exoskeleton takes place periodically for a 1 month or for example for 1 month period or a 2 weeks period, like that it will shed off. That process is called moulting or ecdysis. So the body is divided into three regions: head, thorax and abdomen, and the body cavity is filled with haemocoel. Okay, the body cavity here it is called as haemocoel. So the respiratory organs are gills, book gills, buck lungs and tracheae. So circulatory system is of open type, that is circulatory system is open type. And please delete this sensory organs. Okay, so the sense organs are antennae, eyes. The eyes may be compound eyes or simple eyes. Statocyst, that is the organ of balance or equilibrium. So the body has to be balanced while flying, the cockroach and some of the insects. So that should be balanced with the help of statocyst. This they may ask in 1 mark in your NEET as well as in your board exam. So the sensory organs are antennae, eyes. Eyes may be compound or simple. Statocyst is balance or equilibrium organs are present. So excretion takes place through Malpighian tubules, green glands, coaxial glands, etc. So the excretion takes place through Malpighian tubules, green glands, coaxial glands. So they are mostly dioecious. Dioecious means presence of, that is sexes are separate. Okay. The male cockroach, female cockroach, like that. The sexes are separate and oviparous, egg laying outside the body. And fertilization is usually internal. So, okay, the fertilization is usually internal and development is direct or indirect. And the life cycle has so many larval stages which is followed by metamorphosis. Metamorphosis means egg, larva, after pupa after imago after adult stage. So like this various stages are seen in the development, that is life cycle of the this arthropod organisms. So examples are limnus, king crab, a living fossil. Example, that is this one they will ask in 1 mark as well as in your NEET. limbless, that is limbless. King crab, a living fossil. Pamanius, scorpion. Euparagus, hermit crab. Apis, honeybee. Musca or musca, housefly. Vectus, anopheles, mosquito. Culex, Aedes, mosquitoes. These are the three mosquitoes: Culex, Aedes, and anopheles. Economic importance of insects: Apis, honeybee. Bombax, silkworm. Lacifer, lax insect, and gregarious pest, locusta pest, which is called the grasshopper. This was the talk during the grasshoppers have entered our during the that is lockdown, the pandemic season. Okay. And the spider silk is 5 times stronger than the steel of the same diameter. It has been suggested that a Boeing 747 could be stopped in flight by a single pencil with stand, and the spider silk is almost as strong as Kevlar, the toughest man-made polymer. So the spider silk is very stronger than the silk. Okay. So it has Boeing, that is it is made with 747 Boeing, that is which can stop in flight also, that is they stopped in a flight by a single pencil with, so single pencil with stand they can be able to stop, and it is very tough man-made polymer. It is more tough than the man-made polymer Kevlar. So spider silk is stronger than any other alloy, that is metals. Okay, and even it is stronger than the polymer also. So which was taken from the Arthropoda organism. So you can see the prawn is seen in arthropod, and scorpion you know very well. This is the spider, hermit crab, locusta, that is grasshopper locusta, and limbless, the living fossil. This they may ask. So these are the types of examples seen in this Arthropoda phylum. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubts, post your doubts in the comment box. Give a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel.